Hi, welcome to Bit, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform. Bit documents are modern and interactive, allowing you to add just about any type of digital content to your document. In this video, we'll show you how you can easily add PDFs in your Google Drive directly into your Bit documents. Go to Google Drive and open up the PDF you want to embed. Click on the Share button on the top right-hand corner. Adjust the link settings according to your preference and click on Copy Link. Now, head over to Bit.ai and open up a Bit document. Click on a blank line and paste the Google PDF URL. You'll see that Bit automatically renders the PDF inside of your Bit document. Bit has rich embed integrations with over 100+ popular applications. To learn more about our other integrations, watch our other videos. Bit.ai, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform.